Hi everyone, this is Navila Zaman and today we are going to learn the chapter Price Determination. We have completed demand and supply, and if you can understand those concepts well, then this is going to be a very interesting topic. If you haven't watched those two videos, then I'll link all the videos of demand and supply in the caption. So let's get started. When you go to any market where bargaining is allowed, what happens? You want to lower the price, and the seller wants to raise the price as high as possible. Then you come to a mutual price where it is both possible for you to pay and for the seller to make a profit. And in other cases, bargaining is more indirect, and firms estimate and then change what they think is the equilibrium price. Now, what is the equilibrium price? So the equilibrium price is the price where demand and supply of a product or a service are equal, and thus there are no shortages or surpluses of the product. It occurs when the demand and supply curves intersect. Q is the equilibrium quantity and P is the equilibrium price, as you can see in the screen, and the intersection of these two curves is the equilibrium price. That is the price where demand and supply are both equal. Now, sometimes there arises a situation where demand and supply are not equal, like the equilibrium price. And this is known as market disequilibrium. In market disequilibrium, excess demand or excess supply can occur. Excess demand is the amount by which demand is greater than supply, and excess supply is the amount by which supply is greater than demand. In the case of a shortage, demand is greater than supply, so everyone cannot buy the supply or the service due to the resources not being available for everyone. Any price that is below the equilibrium price will result in excess demand in the market, because we know, as we have learned in the previous videos, that when price decreases, demand increases, as demand is inversely proportional to price. When price increases, excess demand will fall and it will reach equilibrium, and therefore supply will increase. There will not be any excess demand or shortage of any product. In the case of a surplus, supply is greater than demand. Any price above the equilibrium will result in excess supply, because we know that supply and price are directly proportional to each other. That is what we have learned in the previous videos. When price decreases, quantity demanded will rise and supply will fall. Thus, the market will reach equilibrium again. Now, in the next video, we will focus more on how we can return to equilibrium for disequilibrium, that is shortage and surplus. We will focus on it more and learn its depth. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you can react and share the video, and if it was helpful, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.